Nina wants to apply for a personal life insurance policy. However, she is worried that there are a lot of personal information that is being asked of her. She wants to know if this cannot be avoided and how can she be sure that matters pertaining to her home address, full maiden name of her mother, or her health history and condition will be used accordingly and responsibly. Is she not protected by any law? Nina, our laws on data privacy gave parameters on when and what premise processing of personal information may be made. Of course, your consent is a necessary prerequisite to this. Section 12B of the Data Privacy Law specifically states that personal information may be allowed only if not otherwise prohibited by law. As in the case of your application for a personal life insurance policy, it falls under Section 12B of the Data Privacy Act, which states that it is lawful if the processing of personal information is necessary and is related to the fulfillment of a contract with the data subject, or in order to take steps at the request of the data subject prior to entering into a contract. Section 13C of the Data Privacy Law also states that sensitive personal information may be lawfully processed if the processing is necessary to protect the life and health of the data subject or another person. The said law also provides penalties for those who will violate the provisions of law. Be reminded that our opinion is based solely on the details you have provided us. You are free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Thank you for your trust in People's Television. Email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. This is Attorney JJ Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.